Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make tomato sauce at home. First, choose about 2 pounds of very ripe, red tomatoes for the best flavor. You will also need 2 tablespoons of good olive oil, 4 cloves of garlic, and fresh basil. Ensure your pots and utensils are ready for a smooth cooking experience. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious sauce. Next, let's prepare those beautiful tomatoes. Begin by washing and coring each one carefully. Then, blanch them in boiling water for just about 30 seconds. This makes peeling incredibly easy. Immediately transfer them to an ice bath to stop the cooking. Once cooled, peel the skins and roughly chop the tomatoes, ready for the pot. Now it's time to cook. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add 4 minced garlic cloves and 1 chopped onion, sautéing until fragrant about 3 minutes. Stir in your chopped tomatoes. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce heat and cook for at least 1 hour, stirring every 15 minutes. Finally, let's perfect your sauce. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Stir in about 1/4 cup of fresh, chopped basil for a vibrant flavor. If you prefer a smoother sauce, use an immersion blender directly in the pot. Allow the sauce to cool completely before transferring it to airtight containers for storage for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.